Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 14 or later and photos already in the Photos app. First, mark the images you want visible by tapping the heart to favorite them. This nudges the widget toward those pictures. Once done, long press a blank area on your home screen until icons jiggle, tap the plus button, find photos, and pick the widget size you want. Add it to the home screen and position it where you prefer so it's immediately visible and ready to rotate images. Now focus on control. The Photos widget selects featured images automatically, but marking specific images as favorite increases their chance to appear. Once you've favorited and organized those shots, open Photos and confirm they are in the Favorites collection. If the widget doesn't show them right away, remove and re-add the widget or force quit photos. This refresh often makes the algorithm pick your favored photos more quickly. Make sure to avoid finish by locking the layout. Press done so the widget won't move unintentionally. If you still see unintended images, unfavorite and refavorite your chosen photos, then remove and re-add the Photos widget. That sequence forces a fresh selection. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date and reboot your device. These steps resolve most sync or caching issues. Finally, check iCloud Photos Sync if it's off. Enable it so your library and widget reflect the same images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.